Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how to install Ubuntu on VirtualBox, but first of that we need to know what are the minimal requirements for Ubuntu. This occasion I'm going to install the Ubuntu desktop version edition, and it requires in the processor 700 megahertz. In memory RAM it requires 512 megabytes, and for the hard disk it only require 4 gigabytes, and you can have more, but these are the minimal. Sometimes this will work slow, so that's why I recommend more specifications for the virtual machine. Now I'm going to set up the virtual machine of Ubuntu. We need to click on new, then we have to choose a name. I'm going to choose Ubuntu, and as you saw, automatically the program choose the version on the type, and as you can see it's correct. We only need to click on next. We have to choose the how many memory RAM we want to dedicate only for this virtual machine. I'm going to get 1 gigabyte of RAM. Click on next. We are going to create a hard disk virtually. Next, and we don't need to modify anything here, so click in next, and we are going to choose a fixed size. Click on next, and I'm going to give it 10 gigabytes of hard disk for this virtual machine, and click on create. This will take some minutes, sometimes could vary depending of your computer. When the virtual machine is created, we only need to click on start, and the virtual machine will begin to work, and it will ask for a system. As you can see the window, and you have to look for it in your computer. I'm going to do it right now. In my case is in this folder, and I just have to choose it, and it's this one. I'm going to install the version of the desktop, and click on open and start. This is the first time that I'm opening the virtual machine, and it will ask me for the installation. Right now the virtual machine is loading some files of Ubuntu. When the files are loaded, we are going to choose the language. In my case, I'm going to choose Spanish and install Ubuntu. And I'm going to click on next. If you want, you can download all the updates and continue. Install now. Continue again. In this map you can choose your city, or you can choose your city, and this will be affected in your hour of your computer. I'm going to click on continue. Right now I'm going to choose what kind of keyboard I have, and I have this one, so I'm going to click on continue again. Right now it's asking for a name of user. I'm going to write mine. It is asking for a password. You have to write it, and click on continue. And as you can see, the installation has started. You only have to wait. After of some minutes, the installation is done and this window will appear. You only have to click on reset now. Right now the virtual machine is loading for first time the operating system. In a moment we'll ask for the user and password that we wrote in the other steps. After of the reboot, the computer is asking for the user that we wrote in the other steps. We only need to write the password and it will start to work. And as you can see, the operating system is working properly on a virtual machine and you can use it wherever you want. It's ready to use.